Hello everyone, the name is Sitlang. Today I'm going to show you how to create a Gantt chart using Microsoft Word when you don't have Microsoft project. So this is how a Gantt chart looks like, right? So we're gonna create one using Microsoft Word. Let's insert a new page, blank document, there we go. Okay, the layout of my page is a landscape, so make sure that you change the layout of your page to be a landscape. Then we're gonna insert a table with 6 columns and 4 rows. I'm gonna make it larger like that. Then on top we're gonna type in the task name, right? Task name. We're gonna call them task 1, but as for you, you're gonna put the name of the task. So I'm gonna call mine task 1, then task 2, task 3. Then here there will be dates, so we're gonna say the project will start on the 16th of January, Jan 2020, and then continue. The next day will be February 2020, then June, the date 25 June 2020, 14 July 2020, then you can say 23 August 2020. Okay, we have already inserted the dates and everything, right? The next thing to do would be to merge the cells, right? The simplest way to merge cells is to type in anything from the cells. After that, highlight everything like this. Then you can merge them like that. They are already merged. And then the other way would be to just highlight the blank cells from top to the bottom like that, then merge cells. See, either way works. So you're gonna choose the best one for you. Now I have to cancel all of this. I'm gonna cancel all this. Done. Then I'll merge all the cells. Merge. Everything is sorted now. Okay, let me move my table, make it a little bit bigger. There we go. Okay, now I can start working. The task name, I'm gonna make it bold. You highlight it, then you right click, you highlight, right click, bold. But then I'm gonna make all of them bold. I highlight them, then I click bold. You can also change the color, just highlight them and click. Then I'm gonna make them to be blue. It's fine. Okay, now I want to shade this box. I'm just going to highlight this, then I'm gonna come where it's written shading right there. You highlight, then you come where it's written shading. You click the arrow, then you shade it to the required color. Then I'm gonna make it yellow. I can also shade all of this if I want. So come where it's written shading. I'm gonna choose this color. Done. Okay, now is to put the percentage bar So I'm gonna click insert shapes. I'm gonna put a rectangle with round corners. Double click on your page to make it appear on your page. Then I'm going to minimize it like that. Then I'm going to take it to my... What does this mean? It means that it starts on the 16th of January and end on the 14th of January, right? I don't want it to have a shape outline, so I just highlight it, click where it's written shape outline, then I'm going to choose no outline, like that. Now I want to put a percentage bar to show how much work has been done. I'm going to click insert shape, then I'm just going to choose a rectangle, double click on my web page, then I'm going to minimize it, make it smaller, like that. The percentage bar is always yellow, or you can choose any color if you want, but I'm going to choose yellow. I'm going to shape fill the rectangle, so I'm going to make it yellow. There we go. Then I will make it to have no shape outline, no outline. There we go. Then I'm going to take it inside my rectangle with soft edges. There we go. Then I can make it bigger, or as long as the other one, like that. What does this mean? This means that this project is done. So you're gonna have to make sure that it comes right at the end. Right, this project is done. We're gonna insert others, so I can just copy this one. I'm gonna copy it and paste. There we go. Then I'll insert another one on project. On task 2, task 2 will start on this day and end on that day, like that. I'm gonna paste it again. Then this task 3 will start on this day and end on that day, like that. So now I'm gonna have to insert the percentage bar. Gonna copy it. I'm going to copy, then I'll paste, like that. Then I can move it. I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. There we go. Then I can paste it right here. Lovely. Just make sure it starts from the beginning of your soft edge triangle. Okay, what does this mean? This means that this has started at the 14th of February 2020 and will end on the 25th of June 2020, right? But the current date, let me show you. I will click insert shape, then I'll choose an arrow, then I'll put an arrow like that. Then I'll make my arrow to be red. Shape outline, click, then I'll make it red. It is red. Then I'm gonna click insert. I'm gonna choose a rectangle, like that. Then I'm gonna type something within the rectangle. Then I'm gonna right click, add text. Then I'm gonna type current day, current day, type in current day. Then after that I'm gonna move it right here. I don't want it to have an outline, so I can just say no outline, like that. So what does this mean? This means that this task 1 is done, right? It's done, it's finished. This one just started on the 14th day. Since this one is the current day, right? It's on the 14th day, right? This one we haven't started doing it, that's why it doesn't have a percentage bar which shows the work completed. I hope that you'll be able to follow the steps. Thank you for watching.